Ryan Lehman, Operations Manager at Batt Mobile Equipment in Tomago, New South Wales. We take diesel-powered loaders, earth movement equipment, and convert them over to battery and electric drive systems. The directors of Batt Mobile Equipment, they're deeply rooted in underground coal within the Hunter region and also in Queensland. And they've seen the need for transitioning within underground coal itself away from diesel-powered mobile machines. So in underground coal and even surface coal, a lot of the heavy work is done by diesel-powered vehicles. They've seen the need to start diversifying into what would a battery option for this mobile machine look like for the future. We will tear the machine down, remove the diesel engine package and the associated ancillary components for that engine package, and then we will integrate the battery, electric motor, all the ancillaries required for that electric drive system to be able to convert it from fossil fuel powered machine to a battery powered machine. I guess as humans we're always reluctant to jump into the unknown, but while the technology is new, to be able to move to the cleaner solutions, fundamentally the skills are still the exact same. You still need deeply qualified trades such as auto electricians, fitters, electricians, you still need engineers. All the skills are 100% transferable. Newcastle is the right location for a business like ours and many other businesses that are trying to move into the cleaner technology space. The fact that we're right near quite one of the largest ports in the southern hemisphere, a strategic location with regards to our airport expansion as well, makes us a lot more accessible to overseas customers who want to come here and start looking at sourcing products from this region. The pool of talent and resources just within the underground coal and even the surface coal industry, it's like I said, it's 100% transferable, but I think the younger generations within that existing industry, they're the ones who are going to see the benefit of being able to transition, and that they'll be able to utilise their skills 100%.